This is how my setup looks. I take pictures in my living room. I have a diffuser. I have my cake. So the goal here is to get an even lighting between the diffuser and reflector for my cake so I can take. For my background, this gray thing, I use a piece of dark gray cardboard and play with my cake and see what angle I wanted to take a picture at. But most of the for my camera, it's always on a tripod like this, and I shoot vertical because most of the time this is a very basic Canon M50, and I will link it. But most important settings, if you're using, so for my settings, I set 1:125 shutter speed. My ISO usually between 1, and one of the most important things is my camera is set on timer. So when I press the button, or also another very important tip, you can see that my camera is the same level as my cake. When you have in your camera same level as your cake, you will have a very beautiful straight picture. If you're doing that something like this at 45 degrees, look at your proportions and you cannot. So I hope this was helpful. Here's my timer, here's my camera, and these are a few basic supplies I use.